How to prepare herbal teas for better digestion. Struggling with digestion? What if a simple cup of tea could help you feel lighter and more comfortable after meals? Today, I'll show you how to prepare herbal teas that soothe your stomach and improve digestion naturally. Welcome back to Divine Roots and Herb Wellness. I'm Pius, and in this video, you'll learn easy herbal tea recipes to aid your digestion. Peppermint tea. Fresh or dried peppermint leaves relax your digestive muscles, reducing bloating and cramps. Just steep a handful in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It helps reduce joint pain, supports heart health, and even boosts brain function. Scientific studies have shown turmeric's potential in managing arthritis, improving digestion, and enhancing immunity. How to use turmeric. Add it to curries, smoothies, or golden milk. Try this simple golden milk recipe. Heat a cup of milk or plant-based milk. Stir in 1 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper to increase absorption, and a little honey. Fennel seed tea. Fennel seeds have been used for centuries to relieve gas and indigestion. Crush a teaspoon and steep it in boiling water for 10 minutes. Ginger tea. Fresh ginger can stimulate digestion and reduce nausea. Slice a small piece and brew it in hot water for 10 minutes. Chamomile tea. Chamomile calms inflammation in the digestive tract and helps with cramps. Steep dried chamomile flowers for 5 minutes. Tips. Drink herbal tea 20 minutes after meals for best results. Avoid added sugar. Try honey if you need sweetness. Conclusion. Which of these teas will you try first? Share your favorite herbal remedy for digestion below. Subscribe and hit the bell for more natural health tips.